Deep within the ovaries of a woman, a remarkable journey begins. Millions of tiny eggs, each encased in a protective shell called a follicle, lie dormant. These are primordial follicles, the starting point of a potential human life. Each follicle holds a single immature egg cell, waiting for its turn to grow and mature. The ovary is a busy place, a microscopic metropolis teeming with activity. These primordial follicles are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Yet within these tiny structures lies the potential for life. Each one holds an immature egg, a tiny speck of possibility. These eggs have been present in a woman's body since her own time as a fetus, a testament to the remarkable power of life. The journey from primordial follicle to a fully mature egg is long and complex. It is a process guided by hormones, a delicate dance of chemical signals that orchestrate the development of the egg. This intricate process ensures that only the healthiest eggs are released during ovulation. The journey is fraught with challenges, as many follicles will begin to grow, but only a select few will reach full maturity. Under the influence of hormones, a few primordial follicles begin to grow. The egg cell inside the follicle enlarges and the surrounding cells multiply, forming layers around it. The follicle is no longer dormant, it is now a primary follicle, embarking on its journey of maturation. As the primary follicle grows, it transforms into a secondary follicle. Fluid-filled spaces begin to appear between the cells surrounding the egg. These spaces eventually merge to form a single large cavity called the antrum. The egg, now much larger, sits on a stalk of cells within this fluid-filled cavity. The follicle, now a mature Graafian follicle, bulges on the surface of the ovary. It is a marvel of biological engineering, a self-contained environment perfectly suited to nurture the developing egg. The egg within is now ready for ovulation, poised for its release into the fallopian tube. Ovulation is a pivotal moment in the journey of an egg. The mature Graafian follicle ruptures, releasing the egg into the fallopian tube. This release, triggered by a surge in hormones, is a dramatic event in the microscopic world of the ovary. The fallopian tube, a delicate structure lined with tiny hair-like projections called cilia, acts as a conduit. The cilia, beating rhythmically, gently propel the egg towards the uterus. The journey through the fallopian tube is perilous, as the egg is now vulnerable to the external environment. The egg, viable for only 12 to 24 hours, must encounter a sperm during this time for fertilization to occur. This narrow window of opportunity highlights the delicate balance and precise timing required for conception. If a sperm successfully reaches the egg in the fallopian tube, fertilization can occur. Sperm, tiny cells with whip-like tails, navigate the female reproductive tract, drawn to the egg by chemical signals. Only the strongest and most resilient sperm will survive this arduous journey. The moment a sperm penetrates the egg's outer layer, a flurry of activity begins. The egg's outer layer changes, preventing other sperm from entering. Inside the egg, the genetic material of the sperm and egg combine, creating a single cell called a zygote. This zygote, a unique combination of genetic material from both parents, marks the beginning of a new individual. This single cell, containing all the instructions needed to build a human being, will now embark on a period of rapid cell division. This is the very beginning of a human life, a microscopic miracle occurring within the shelter of the fallopian tube.